Welcome to BB Still Graphics Masterclass. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to design a letterhead. A letterhead is one of the simplest items to design. Don't worry, you'll soon see why I said it's very simple. So first, we'll delete our text. Now you need to choose your image size. This is very important. Otherwise, you will be designing something that is not a letterhead. You understand? Size matters in graphic designing. Size matters. Always choose the right size for your design. So I want you to take note of the standard size that I will be using for my letterhead. I'll tap on this icon above. Then I'll select image size. I'll be using size of 908 by 1280. So this is the standard size I want to use for my letterhead. 1280. So it's okay like this. So you can see. So now all you need to do is to think of how you want your letterhead design to be like. Well-designed letterheads can give the best first impression possible, as it makes one's company brand stand out. Your letterhead design must contain the name of the company, the address of the company, the logo of the company. Then you must add a corporate design. Then also include the contact, the email address. Then if the company has a website, include it too. Make your letterhead very concise, not filled with irrelevant information. So those are just the basic things, basic features that a letterhead must have. So now let's move over to our design. So I'll be using a white background. So I'll come to this place and change the color of my background to white. I'll be using a white background. Yeah, this is okay. Well, I want to create my corporate design. So I'll tap on this plus icon and bring in my shape. I believe by now you all know how to create some kind of amazing layout. So this is my shape. This is my shape. I'll expand my shape. And I want to apply my mask too. So I'll search for my mask. Yeah. This is it. I'll enable it. Watch, I'm going to set my watch. Okay, now I'll copy it. Copy, lock this bottom layer and change the color to yellow. And take it backward. Now, this is what I want. So now you lock your layer. That's it. So now copy it. This time, set it to save time. You can use your rotate tool. copy it. Change the color to blue. That's it. Now use your rotate to position it. It's okay, and now I still need to adjust it. Position. It's okay like this. Then I need to lock the layers. Then adjust this one. This is it. This is my corporate design. So next, I'm going to make a logo. Just a logo to suit it. So now this is my logo. What I'm going to do is to copy it. I'm going to copy it. Place this one aside. Place this one aside. Then I'll make sure I centralize this first. Then I'll reduce the opacity. Then I'll lock this layer. Next, reduce this. Position it properly. Make sure you use the alignment tool in case you are finding it difficult to position properly. Bring and the name of the company. I'll change the color. Use a suitable color. I need to position it properly now. Change the font also. Reduce it. Make sure you place it properly. It's okay like this. So I'm done with the company name and the logo. So next, I'll put in the address at the bottom. So this is my information. You can decide to put the icons for these details, like the icon for address, the icon for contact, the icon for email, the icon for website. but I don't want to use it for mine, or you can decide to use yours. But note that when you are using yours, make sure you don't use different colors icon. Make sure that you are using either just black or just white. If you do not understand what I'm trying to explain, please message me. I'll explain it to you. Now change my font. Then I'll make sure that the font I use for the main points are bold. This is it. And I need to also change the color. I'll be using white. Reduce. To be there. Increase my spacing. It's okay there. So I'll position properly. It's okay like this. So this is just how to make a simple letterhead. But now that I'm done, I'll lock all my layers. They are all locked. So this is how to make a simple letterhead. So you can still decide to make some adjustment. Maybe make my logo bigger. Make it bigger. It. This is it. So now that we are done with our letterhead design, we need to save as project, then we save as image. Then save as image. So you can see the reason why I said designing a letterhead is very, very simple. So try to practice, try to be consistent in your design also, so that your works will be unique, so that you will be able to design anything that you want to do. So take notes of the features of a letterhead, then also read about the purpose of it, so that you will know how official it is and how important it is to design a corporate letterhead. Then lastly, I would like you to know that a letterhead does not really need mock-up. You do not really need to mock it up. It's just like, it's okay like this. All your client just needs to do is just to print it out. So you do not really need to mock it up. So this is it. Try to study other samples of letterhead. Don't be addicted to just one style or layout. Try to think of different styles, different corporate styles, to make your letterhead very beautiful. So that's it for today.